And yes, so guys, we are on the way to JP 2025 that is happening or going to happen in Tanzania. So Priscilla is already moving with her team to go get the best jewelry, best outfit, best you know what's up now, to get the best of the best before the show is about to start. I heard it's going to be on the 28th or 29th of this May. So guys, stick to this channel because I'm going to be giving you the videos back to back. That's what I'm going to do. So for those who watched the previous ceremonies that they did, you can as well go to my channel and see the videos so far. So I'm still going to put you through in the one that is going to happen in Tanzania. If not, why are we here? So guys, this is how it's going to go down. She already settled for wristwatches, the necklaces, the outfit, because according to her, what she was saying, that she's going to wear an outfit that is going to match her necklace. So she came to choose, and probably she said they already created a necklace. I mean the Bose diamond. Remember, she's an ambassador to Bose jewelry, so they've created a nice necklace for her to wear on that very day. Money is good though, guys. Money is really good. I mean, if you have money, you can do anything. How many weddings they don't do now? They don't do. Okay, they did first. They did a traditional marriage in Tanzania. They came down to Nigeria. They did a traditional marriage. After the traditional marriage, they now did wedding. That's like 3, Abby. Yeah, that's like 3. And now they are going to do the grand finale in Tanzania, where the guy came from, because normally that's the way it should be. If you do down your wife's side, so she can be celebrated by her people, then you go down to your side. So the younger brother is already in town. I mean, the Tanzania. Of course, we all know the people that will be there. Her bridesmaids will be there. And then her paddy Enyolua is going to be there, of course. What's the wedding without Enyolua? Except, I don't think food can even hold him down for Priscilla at this time. So I wanted to say except food, but I know definitely rather he eats the Tanzanian food, because there is no food where that guy know they chop. So Ingo did there too. And that's another solid wedding going to happen. This time, have the bride's people will just feel comfortable, enjoy their stay, while the groom's people take over the places and entertain them as being our in-law. So once again, God bless their marriage. The girl is carrying her family nice, and we pray that it's going to be permanent. See you guys in my next video. Bye.